Well, here we are at Spruce Knob Lake. Can't video the whole lake. We got people around, but just a little bit of it. We're getting ready to go walk across the levee, dam, whatever you want to call it. Check that area out over there. View from the end of the lake all the way down to the other end. It's not a real big lake. It's windy down here though. Boy. Got a few people getting ready to go out in their kayaks. And here's the downhill side. Here we go. Okay, we're walking this little trail around the lake. This section's had this nice little boardwalk, made it pretty easy. Other than June pulling me here, my little sled dog. Come on, June. That's where we came from. Keep on walking. We're gonna do the loop, I guess. All right, we're at the opposite end of the lake here with a little bit of creek flow coming in here. There's been a couple other little creeks coming down off the hillside there, feeding this lake. About halfway done. Yes, I passed the June bug off to Christy. Couple dead spruce trees, pine trees, whatever you want to call them. With the tops dead and with the tops broke out of them. A little creek or spring here. My wife pointed out this piece of driftwood here. Said it kind of looked like a antler out there. I'd say I'm 2/3 the way around this lake now. Check in when I'm done unless there's something else to show you and let you know how far this little loop is. New little project here. Put a bridge in over this little creek coming in. Pretty neat old pine tree there. Actually, pretty good size. Can't see the top from here. Is it one tree split into two, or two trees that grew together at the base? That is the question. As you all know, we've had a good little bit of rains over the last couple of days. So we got a little bit of water on the trail. Not bad though. Other than that, the trail's been in really good shape. Yep, gotta maneuver this, try not to get my feet wet. I'll be back. All right, we finished up our loop around the lake, and you can see how windy it is. It was exactly 1 mile around this lake. It's mostly flat walking on a gravel path. There is some dirt, and right now there is a little mud with after all this rain. A little bit of elevation that you do have is mostly steps on the boardwalk. I'll rate this as a very easy trail to walk up here at Seneca, or Spruce Knob, excuse me. Spruce Knob Lake. We'll be doing Spruce Knob later and adding to the video. See you there.